Hi, this is Marcia Stonehill, and I'm back to talk a little bit more about the book Melt the Ice. So I find it imperative when people come to meet with me as they are seeking treatment for symptoms of depression or anxiety to listen to everything they are saying, as I am listening for whether there is this tendency toward being empathic. It's not something we talk about in our society, or the way we do talk about it is rather flippant, and we don't necessarily talk about it and its relationship to how it can aggravate or agitate symptoms of depression or anxiety. So on this note, it is really rewarding to be able to validate for those who do seem to have that gift, when it doesn't feel like a gift to them, when it feels like a burden, and to lighten that burden by validating the fact that being empathic is something that's very real. It's not psychotic, it's not crazy as people may feel when they use that term. But it's a very real experience. It's just one we don't talk about enough. It's a beautiful opportunity then to teach people techniques and skills to manage this aspect of themselves in a way that is empowering and therefore less draining, and in a way that does not agitate feelings of depression or anxiety, or even just emotionally agitating. So it becomes another way to regulate one's emotions as well.